Wife's daily hacks to keep me fully domestic and useful. 1. Wife said make dinner or sleep outside, so I'm whipping up this life-saving dish fast. First, chop 4 potatoes into tiny chunks. Try not to lose a finger, my boss is watching. Trust me, bro. Throw them into a hot sizzling pan of oil. Fry these bad boys till they look golden crisp. Even my mother-in-law had to admit this tastes insane. Toss in half a chopped onion right now. Crack 6 fresh eggs into a bowl while it sizzles. Add 1 teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon black pepper. Whisk it good like your happy marriage depends on it. This secret husband recipe is guaranteed to save your wallet. Super cheap, easy, and keeps the wifey super happy. Try it out before your spouse files for divorce. Once mixed well, dump those crispy golden potatoes straight into the egg bowl. Look at that color. Perfectly golden and crunchy, just the way she commands. Drop a comment if I missed her favorite spice. Got any secret tips to make spuds taste extra gourmet? Let me know, I need extra points at home. Stir it up. Drizzle a little olive oil into your skillet. Brush it all around so nothing sticks to the pan. Cooked this for the fellas yesterday. They devoured it and begged me for the secret technique. It's a weekly survival ritual at my place now. Your family will totally hook on it. Pour the whole mixture right back into the pan. Smooth it out nicely so it cooks like a pie. My grandma taught me this back in the day. Now my kids scream for it every single weekend. Give it a shot and tell me if you survived. Cover up and let it cook low for 10 minutes. Check this epic texture out. Flip it with a plate like a total kitchen pro. See how foolproof this masterpiece is? Basic ingredients, 0 brain work required. Cover again for 5 more minutes to finish up. Boom! Done and ready! Slide it onto a big plate. Slice it up and serve the boss her slice. Man, I absolutely love this meal. Guaranteed your whole crew will polish the plate clean. I make this every Sunday without fail. 0 leftovers every single time. They literally demand it constantly. Lazy weeknight and need to impress the wife fast? This right here is your gold mine. Just don't forget to share a piece with me. Hope this saved your marriage today. Thanks for watching my survival guide. Catch you on the next clip. Peace out. 2. Porcelain skin straight from your kitchen drawer. Wife made me mix egg yolk with coffee ground. Mix coffee with egg yolk, apply 15 mins, then rinse off. Cleanses, tightens, and softens your face instantly. Fades spots and smooths out those wrinkles fast. 3. Sweet condensed milk plus cornstarch. Dump 1 can into 200 grams cornstarch right now. Add butter and mix until your arm falls off. Add extra starch if it's sticky. Gotta keep the boss happy. Chop dough into nice equal little bites. Roll them into tiny smooth balls. Press down with a fork on the baking tray. Bake 15 minutes while doing household chores. Melt in your mouth cookies that'll save your evening. 4. What nobody tells you about beet lemon juice. Drink morning time to flush blood. Gives instant energy to survive wife's chore list. Drink right after heavy lunchtime. Boosts digestion and stops your belly from bloating up. Drink at night for detox power. Cleans your liver while you dream about avoiding chores. Chug this potion 7 days straight. Boosts flow, prevents anemia, makes your skin glow bright. Save this recipe before your spouse deletes it. 5. Whisk 2 eggs with 3 tablespoons pure honey. Add milk, flour, baking powder, and mix real smooth. Pour in pan and bake at 350 Fahrenheit. Bake 25 to 30 minutes till golden brown. Poke tiny holes all over the warm cake. Drench it with warm milk completely. Let it soak up, then taste heavenly soft milk cake. 6. Never guessed cabbage could taste this good. Total pizza upgrade, bro. Chop half a cabbage real thin, don't mess up. Wifey will be totally blown away. Stick around, don't miss the secret. Once you taste this epic bite, you'll crave it every day. Dump all shredded cabbage right into a bowl. Use whatever big bowl you got. Crack 3 eggs inside. Half teaspoon black pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. Mix well like your marriage depends on it. Stir until everything blends perfectly together. Drop a big tablespoon butter. Melt over low heat. Swirl it around until the pan is fully coated, just like this. Add egg cabbage mix into sizzling butter. Flatten it out nice and even. Gotta impress the boss tonight. Super quick survival meal that actually tastes insane. Cover up and cook 10 minutes low heat. Use a plate to flip like a boss. Spread 2 spoonfuls tomato sauce. Cover the whole top nicely, my dudes. Ever since I tried it, I'm forced to cook this daily. Try this at home. It'll save your lazy weeknights. Top with cheesy mozzarella slices. Takes this budget dish straight to heaven. Tummy is already growling loud. You guys obsess over cheese too? Tell me below. Arrange cheese pretty so she compliments you. Tasty and looks fire. Sprinkle some oregano on top. Add as much as you like, then melt that cheese complete. Smells like a 5-star restaurant. Slide onto a big plate. Slice into portions and serve Her Majesty. Craving pizza? This low-carb hack wins. Give it a shot and rate me. Grandma passed me this secret. Now kids gobble it up every weekend. Bros begged for the exact recipe, because it tastes straight magic. What extra toppings would you add? Got any cool cabbage secrets to share? Drop comments, I need extra points. Time to call the hungry family. They're drooling at the table. Hope this saved your dinner. Thanks for watching my survival guide. See you next time. Peace out. 7. Youth potion nobody wants you to know. Fixes saggy skin, boosts hair and nails fast with carrot and plain gelatin. Drink every morning and share with your friends.